12 exercises for a perfectly toned body you can do at home. Calisthenics allow you to tone your entire body using minimal equipment. So essentially these are body weight exercises. The only thing you might need is a horizontal bar, and you can do these exercises both inside and outside your home. As a result, your body will be toned and you will be strong and flexible. We at Body Health have prepared a short workout for you. We have chosen the exercises that can be done at home and grouped them according to their difficulty level. You can start with the easiest exercises and gradually move to the harder ones. Don't forget to do a quick warm-up before you start and do the exercises 2-3 times a week. First, abs. Difficulty level 1. This exercise is great for your side abs. Do it 10 to 15 times for each leg. You should choose the number of sets depending on your physical preparation level. We recommended doing from 3 to 5 sets. Difficulty level 1. Cross your ankles and lift your knees. Cross your arms at your chest and lift your shoulders off the floor. Do 3 to 5 sets, 10 to 15 reps in each. Difficulty level 2. Lying on your back, put your arms straight against the floor. Do lifts holding the top position for a few seconds. Be careful if you have problems with your back. Again, do 3 to 5 sets, 10 to 15 reps in each. Difficulty level 3. Plank is great not only for the abs but for your whole body. You can do plank on your forearms as shown on the picture, or as classic plank on the palms. The recommended time to hold this position in 1 minute. Second, buttocks. Difficulty level 1. You can do these exercises as a warm-up for buttocks and legs. Lean against a chair and so do several sets of 15 to 20 squats for each leg. Difficulty level 2. The lower the squats, the harder they are to do. For starters, you can squat or something like a couch, but only if you touch it a little without actually sitting down on it. Keep your back straight and your knees should be directly over your ankles. Do 20 squats in one set. Choose the number of sets depending on how to feel. Difficulty level 2. Now it's time for jump. Jump from the starting position, stretching one leg back. Do the exercise on each leg 10 to 15 times. Difficulty level 3. Do a low squat and then jump and return to the squat position. You can use your arms to help. Do 3 to 5 sets, 15 to 20 squats in each. Third, arms. Difficulty level 1. You can make a horizontal bar using something you have at home or buy one. The higher the bar, the harder it will be to do the exercise. Do 3 to 5 sets, 10 pull-up each. Difficulty level 2. Side plank is great for arm muscles, abs and legs. Keep one arm up in the air for at least 1 minute. If this is too hard for you, you can keep one knee bent as shown on the picture. The harder variation is done with straight legs from the starting position of the classic plank. Fourth, legs. Difficulty level 1. In order to do a warm-up for your legs, do leg swings. These are great for the hips. Squats on one leg while the other is held straight are also very effective. Do each exercise 20 times in 3 to 5 sets. Difficulty level 1. Place your palms on the floor and do leg swings. 20 swings for each leg. Difficulty level 2. While doing this exercise, don't forget to watch your back. Stay in the plank position for a few seconds after each jump and then return to the starting position. Do 15 to 20 reps.